Good day, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Maths with Atanda. We also have this nice problem here to solve, and we are asked to find the value of x that will satisfy this certain problem to be what equals to 1. And how are we going to solve it? Believe me, it is simple. Let's try to solve it. Let's go. Solution. Now, the first thing to do is that let's recopy the question. After recopying the question, then we will now see what are we going to do to solve it. We have 18 raised to the power of x minus 9 raised to the power of x is equal all over 9 raised to the power of x equals to 1. Now the first thing to do right now from this problem is that this fraction, let's eradicate the fraction, right? By eradicating this fraction is that by what? This 1 is taken as over 1, right? Then we cross multiply. By cross multiplying, we know that we are multiplying this 9 raised to the power of x multiplied by 1 and 1 multiplied by everything that is on the numerator, in which by doing that we'll be having 81 raised to the power of x minus 9 raised to the power of x is equals to 9 raised to the power of x, because it's multiplying by 1, right? Now, what next are we going to do? We are having 9 raised to the power minus 9 raised to the power of x plus 9 raised to the power of x. Let's collect the like terms, right? Since they are having the same base, you can collect the like terms, right? Okay, let's go. By 18, it will be 18 raised to the power of x is equals to 9 raised to the power of x plus 9 raised to the power of x, right? Now, this 9 raised to the power of x, they have become 2. So we can still write it as what? 18 raised to the power of x is equals to 2, open bracket, 9 raised to the power of what? Of x. So the same thing, right? Now, we are having 9 raised to the power of x, 18 raised to the power of x, they are having the same powers, right? Let's add it, let's combine them together. We now say, okay, divide through by what? 9 raised to the power of x by 9 raised to the power of what? X. This and this will go. Now, the next step we are having here is that we'll be having 18 raised to the power of x all over 9 raised to the power of x is equals to, what remains here is what? It's nothing but what? But 2. Now, can you see? Now, these things, they are having what? 18 and 9 are having the same power, which is x. And under laws of indices, when we are having a raised to the power of b, and we have c raised to the power of b, we have the right, under laws of indices, to write it in this form as a all over c, all raised to the power of what? B, because they share the same what? The same power. So now we are applying this to this problem right now, so that we'll be able to what? To solve the problem. So let's do it. We are having 18 all over 9. Since they are having the same power of x, we write it this form, which is equals to what? 2. And we all know that 9 here is 1, 9 into 18 is what? Is 2, right? So in which we are having 2 raised to the power of x is equals to 2. And 2, any number raised to any